Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to start another tutorial series on Excel for absolute beginners and advanced users. This is the tutorial series which will start from very basic for the person who is absolutely beginner in Excel and doesn't know anything about it, and then I'll progress further at the intermediate level and then the advanced Excel usage. Now, why do we need to learn Excel? So Excel is the core part of any of the job role that you are doing in the IT industry or any other industry. So if you are trying to use Excel, you should know what all key functionalities are there within Excel that can make your work very easy to perform if you know the functionalities and how to use those properly. So let's quickly get started and understand the very basic functionalities of Excel, right? So usually if you are on any machine or computer, you will be having Excel already installed. So if in case you do not have Excel installed, then you won't be able to search it, right? So usually this is my Windows machine. If I type in Excel, I will see that Excel is installed. This is the app that is installed, right? And if I click on this, right, so it will open a window like this, and then I can basically, here I have the options of home, new, open, and if I go to new, it will ask me to create a new blank workbook, or I can open the existing workbooks from the PC or any other place that I can browse from, right? Then here you have the account details and the options which we'll cover later. But if you go to home and click on this blank workbook, it will open this particular window and open the blank workbook, right? Now on this Excel sheet, what are some of the key sections that we need to understand? So in the top, you'll see this is the name of the worksheet, right? Or the workbook. So book 2 is the name of the workbook, and within that you have these sheets, right? So in a workbook you can have multiple sheets, and if you click on this plus sign here, it will keep adding the sheets. At the top, this is the quick access toolbar, right? So you see this little save and then this drop down here. This is the quick access toolbar. You can customize this, and we will understand how you can go ahead and customize it. Okay, then this area here, the whole gray area with all of these icons, is basically the ribbon or the Excel ribbon. Okay, so let me mark it here. So all of this area is basically the Excel ribbon, which we can customize as well. And in this ribbon, you will see if you go to different options, say for example you go to file, it will go to different position, then you have different functionalities available in the insert, draw, page layout, formulas, etc., and we'll cover all of this in detail. Then here you have this section here, which is basically displaying which particular cell is being selected on the Excel. So say for example I select this particular cell, you will see that B4, and you will see that the columns are represented by the alphabet, so B, and the rows are represented by 1 2 3 4, right? So the numbers, so whichever is selected, that is being highlighted in this particular drop down here in the section here. Then this is the formula bar, and here you can specify, so if you write anything here, that gets displayed in the formula bar, and you can also select or specify the formula. Say for example I want to specify the formula, I'll click on this formula, or I can directly start typing in the formula that are available within Excel. Okay, so this is some of the very basic functionalities that are displayed here. In the right hand side, you see that you have the share the document, and if you click on share, you will be having the option to save it to the cloud and you can share it, right? Then in the right hand bottom, you will see that you have different options for zoom, and you can have the page break preview or page layout. You can customize the page layout and accordingly. So we'll understand all of this information in the upcoming tutorial. So as I said, it will be absolutely basic, and we will start from basic and progress to the advanced concepts of Excel. So these are some of the basic details on the Excel sheet. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.